In this video, we will show you how to get Windows 11 Media Creation Tool. Windows 11 Media Creation Tool is tool that we can make USB or DVD bootable, or we can download directly package of Windows 11. To download Windows 11 Media Creation Tool, you need to open this link. This is the official link, microsoft.com/n-us/software-download/Windows 11. I put link on the description. Then you need to scroll down and see there is Windows 11 installation media. Okay, in here you can see there is this tool is to download the media creation tool to make a bootable USB or DVD. So with this tool, you can create bootable USB or DVD for Windows 11 especially. Then you can click download button. Then click save and you can install. Okay, if you need the ISO of Windows 11, you can go to the below. You can just select accept in here. And you can click next. In here, you see you can make the bootable media for USB. We will continue this tutorial in the next video about how to make USB bootable using Windows 11 Media Creation Tool. Hope this video helpful for you.